There really has been no bull market in the world this decade like India. This is a unique bull market unto itself because also of the breadth of it.
Yeah.
Like in the US, you've had a bull market
largely driven by tech,
concentrated by tech and a few companies at the top. In India's case, it's been extremely broad, like in terms of what's happened. You know, there are various sectors that have, virtually every sector has participated in this bull market. So it's a very unique bull market that we have seen in India. It's the like only bull market in the world, I would say today, literally, the true bull market. The US has, started to show some cracks and very lopsided. So I think it's a fascinating story to observe. It's the last bull market in the world standing, if not the only bull market of this decade.
And valuations clearly don't matter.
Valuations don't matter, but I've seen markets like this that at times you have to suspend reality, like Japan in the 1980s. You know, like we could, people kept calling in the mid-1980s, there was so much talk of Japan being overvalued and stuff, and yet from there it doubled in like value. So, that's all I believe, that you can use models to look at markets in a conventional way, but sometimes when those models aren't working, you suspend reality and then you sort of observe to see as to when it observes. Now, of course, as investors, we just have to, we have to be very vigilant because of the fact that these momentum markets can also turn on a dime, which is that something will happen and all of a sudden it'll turn on a dime.
My point is, like, go back to the budget, and everyone said, oh, you've got the long-term capital gains coming in this time around and that's going to take down the markets. And guess what? It didn't. And, the markets have gone up another couple of thousand points post that. Yeah.
So as I said, that it's very difficult, when the conventional models aren't working in terms of that, because at the beginning of the year, had you said that this will be the political outcome, and this is, in terms of, these are the couple of other things which will happen. You mentioned budget, whatever. Most people would have said that the market will be down 10, 15%. Instead, it's up that much, there. So I'd say that in terms of there. But this though is also leading to its own consequences. I mean, one thing which I find very fascinating in India now is that no country has created as many billionaires as India has created this decade.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go. Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC TV18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
Thank you for watching us on CNBC TV18. For all news and updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch us on all social media platforms.